Hi guys, it's been a week now. I'm analyzing cryptocurrency market based on the Elliot wave theory, and my purpose of this video or this recording is just to share my personal opinion about the price movement of the charts. And I do not I'm not providing any signals here for you. So any risk, any gain or loss of the trades will be at your own risk. So let's quickly look at the charts from the Bitcoin. I try to go through the most of the charts from here, all of them, and I try to reduce the time, so it may not be boring also for you because it will be too much. If you look at the Bitcoin on daily charts, we have a big impulse to the upside. Now it's forming a three-wave corrections. Let's see in the 4-hour chart. Now from here, if you look, price went down ABC, or I can say it's A wave, forming a correction B wave, which there was a buy signal here. Based on my opinion, which was almost a 20% gain, and then market maybe prepared for himself to go in another wave to downside here. I mean, based on the L wave theory, it's possible to one more wave to downside. If you look at the 1-hour time frame here, I think there is an opportunity to buy a short term. Let's see, or maybe in 15 minutes. Yeah, there was a small buy here. I just I was predicting it a few hours ago. Price break the trend line and then start to make a pullback and then maybe buy here with a stop loss of 1%, risk reward of 1% to 2.5%, 2.5%. So my next prediction is like this. Price may go down here, and then we may look for a buy opportunity at this level, where near to the support lines, and look to the upside as a target profit. Litecoin to USD in daily time frame. Oops. As I was predicting here, there's a big impulse to the upside. It forms a complicated structure, A and B and C, which C wave was really short, and prices start to rocket up very, very fast. Let's see in 4 hours. I was preparing for this. See the chart here, ABC formed, and the structure here break the structure at the trend line. So the buy entry was around here with the almost risk to reward of 10% and under almost 100% gain. So at the moment prices went up to here. It formed a ABC corrections or pullback on this trend line, which it didn't touch the line yet, and it started to break the structure. So I'm expecting that market may go to a higher price until a price of $54 as the next target, or maybe 58 or 63, but the most effective vibe the price may reach here also 55. Ethereum USD. Is it something similar to Bitcoin? Big impulse to the upside, form a correction, from the 3-wave or 5-wave corrections. We don't know yet. It's very complicated to decide. Price can go to either up or down. At the moment, in 1-hour time frame, there is an opportunity for buy, as I predicted here. Price break the structure, against break the structure, buy opportunity here, almost 1.5% risk and almost 3% gain. Ethereum Classic to USD. If I show you this picture in the daily time frame, you understand that the market is forming a bigger correction structure. We have the bigger impulse forming a very complex structure, A, B, and C. Maybe I may be wrong or right, I'm not so sure here, based on the current information that we have on the chart. So less than 4 hours, price went up from here, break the structure. I'm expecting that price may break again from here and go to lower zone. So my next entry will be somewhere here at this price of this trend line. Anytime the price can touch here, it made a good possible for the entry at $15 with a risk reward of 10% to 50% gain of capital. 1 to 5 is really a good opportunity to trade. Ethereum Classic to USDT is almost similar. Dashcoin. Similar structures, impulse forming A, B, and maybe one wave to the downside C. If the price breaks the structure, there's evidence of downside. At the moment, the price hasn't broken yet, so we have to wait like what's gonna happen in the future. If the price goes down, we can buy from here, and we can hold it. Maybe the price goes up to here, or it can break entire structures and go to the upper price, where somewhere close to 230 or 247. And price can go from here if the price action start, but there is not much evidence at the moment to support it. Based on my understanding, is there is always maybe a structure of A, B, C, or like 3-wave corrections, then it go up from here. Oops, the price may go up from here. Let's see how it goes. Ripple USD. Almost in the long term, big impulse, A and B and C, which is with the C wave is not completed yet, and we don't know what kind of a structure is forming. It's really complicated here. There was a buy opportunity here after the C wave ended, and I can show you in a smaller time frame. There was A, B, C here, and then buy opportunity here for 2% risk and almost 15% gain. Right now, I don't know what's happening here. Price is almost going sideways, and based on my assumption, there's a possibility that the price may go down one wave, and then we may look for a buy somewhere here at the price of 20 cents to the upper level. Monero, something similar to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Price could go up to this level, almost 53, and or price might can go down to lower zone to correct this structure. Impulse 1, 2, 3, and 4, and maybe one more wave down to 5. So there is no much evidence of downward or upward because no structure has broken yet. Dash USD is almost similar. Litecoin to Bitcoin. It was a great opportunity here in long term. I can show you, which already I missed this opportunity. There was a big impulse wave. See the big impulse to the upside. Price came down as a corrections. Break the structure here. There was a buy somewhere here. See the volumes, how price action went up from here. It was a really beautiful opportunity, which I already missed that, almost 80% gain. Anyway, we have to see the other movements in the future. Ethereum to Bitcoin. Ethereum is still going up. See the impulsive up to the upside, 3-wave structure, another impulsive. Looking for another maybe 3 or 5-wave structure to downside. And then if the price breaks this trend line, we may look for a buy opportunity to upside. Let's see if the price is going to break it or not. And then let's go to the other charts. Vertcoin. Vertcoin, similar structures, impulse to the upside, A, B, and C. Now price already break the structure. There was a buy opportunity a few hours ago. Let's see. Price break the structure, something similar to Litecoin, but this is really corrective structure, and price is slowly going up. So let's see if the price may go reach up to here, and then we're going to decide either price can go one more down, or it can break this structure to the upside. Let me show you in the 4-hour time frame. So there is a possibility of the price may go one more down, which I don't think so at the moment. Price can go up from here. We have to wait for the breaking the trend line and some sort of pullback to get the confirmation for it. And then next one, Viacoin. Viacoin, there was opportunity here. Price still rising. Oh, it's going back. Okay. So if you there's a very this is some sort of expanding triangle, if I'm not mistaken here, or it could be very simple ABC. I'm not so sure with the kind of structure, but based on the trend line I've drawn, there was opportunity here for a buy side, which already missed that. 15% gain, which price went higher than higher. So we have to wait. The price may break this trend line to the lower, to touch this trend line here, and we may look for another buy opportunity and hold it for the long term to go upper, to higher and higher prices. And then let's go to Syscoin. It's really slow in the connection. Come on. Oh my God, I missed that also. That's fine. I missed this opportunity also. There, I was expecting price may come here, I didn't, but the buy already started here. Price went up. I missed it. No worries. Or price can go up to maybe here, 127. Price up to like 109 or 1010, 110 maybe. So we have to leave it because price already went up, so we have to forget about this opportunity. That's fine. Let's forget it. And then we have NEM to Bitcoin. Let's see how it goes. It's really slow. I'm sorry guys for this my low connection. Yeah, similar structures. I'm waiting for a price may go one more down, or it may break from here. We don't know yet. If it breaks, we can buy and hold it to up to this price, 106. And price it can go higher, but we have to always manage our stop loss to the break even, so we can hold it until the price is going to go upward. At the moment, there is no evidence of buy. We have to wait for this breaking the trend line. Then we have Steam. Steam is already break the structure. There was a huge impulse to the upside, corrections, break the structures, and we already, based on my entries, it should be here. So I'm expecting the price goes higher to the almost 1189 or 1199. Yep. The target profit of 127. Let's see if the price is gonna reach there. With a risk reward of 5% to almost 50 or 45%. Let's see if the price is going to goes up to the higher price. And then we have Sia coin. it's a really it was beautiful chart here. As I was predicted, it's really going high and high. The buy here was here where the price break the structure, went up, a small pullback. It didn't touch my trend line, so it didn't come down, so it's still breaking the structure and goes higher and high. Price may reach to here, or maybe price go higher, but it's always good to exit before the price reach the target because of the lack of liquidity in the market. So buyer may exit earlier, so the price may reverse as a shadow. And then let's go to the golem to Bitcoin. Same structures. Entering was somewhere here, breaking the structure. Price went up, pull back, still going up. Almost hit the trend line, which means it's going higher and high. I don't know to what extent it can go. So the question is, can I buy right now here? I would suggest no, because price is really too high and we do not know what's going to happen here. There's a possible that price may go one by whack down to here. It's possible to go because if it can form A and B and maybe one wave to downside C. It's possible. Or it can go higher and higher. We don't have much more evidence here. At least you have to see some sort of corrections or flag, something similar to this one, for example. The price has to come back like this as a pullback here, and then we may look for a buy or any pullback on this trend line. For example, we can look for another buy to the upside. Both scenario is possible. At the moment, we have to leave it like that, so we cannot do anything else. Game credits. So I'm waiting for the price break the structure. In the long term, similar structures. Price went up, corrections, break the structure, buy, went up, bigger corrections, break it, upward. I'm here also same scenario. I'm waiting for the price break, and we can enter somewhere here with a risk of 10% loss and maybe 33% gain. Let's see how it goes. And then the creed. Wow, this is one of the trades that I was happened immediately after my analysis. Exactly hit almost the third target, which was here somewhere, 1618. So basically price, let me show you in bigger time frame. There was a big impulse to the upside, now it's forming the corrections. 1, 2, 3, I don't know, A, B, C, okay. The final wave, price went up from A, B, C corrections, and now is forming a third wave of extension, which was really long. Entry was somewhere here. Let me show you in 1 hour time frame. You will understand it. The entry was where the price changed the direction here. Trend has broken. Again, some sort of pullback, break the structure and buy. See the volumes, how the buyers support the price and to went up, to go up a lot. So what's happening right now? There's a possible price may return and go up. For example, something similar like this, maybe. We have to see if the price is going to break the structure to the upper side or not. Any break above will be temporary. So at the moment, I'm not suggest anything because price could go down or can go up. So it's very hard to predict right now. Let's be patient for this. So what's going to happen next? And then let's go to PPC, this one. Okay, as I was predicting before price, let's see in the long term, the 1 hour, let me go in 4 hour first. We are here, the long impulse to the upside. downside, and then price is the price is testing respecting this trend lines. I'm expecting that price may go to the one more time to test this line. So there's a nice trade here. Price went up, ABC pulled back. Now the price already came down here. If you see, already came down to touch the line. Now break the structure. We can look for a buy opportunity right now here after the break. Almost 5% risk, and almost, I can say, let's see, the risk to reward. Almost 20% gain if the price reach there. We can exit here, which is always, it's really safe because of lack of liquidity in the market. Usually the buyers exit the market quickly, I don't know, at higher price. So let's see what's going to happen here. And then we have Potcoin. Similar structures. Let's see in the bigger picture. Begin with impulse to the upside, 1, 2, 3, ABC, and goes up. Now the price is doing a pullback, but it's already break the structures. We don't know yet. Still, I'm not so sure if this trend is still valid or not, because it may go up or not. I'm still very confused here. If it goes higher and higher, and maybe we see another pullback, then we may take the trade. But our risk to reward is too high. It's almost 10% risk, and almost, I can say, 60% gain, somewhere close to 1 to 7, or maybe 50% gain as a and B wave, and then C to the higher, if the price is gonna reach there. Let's go to the next. Next is already starting going up. Beautiful chart, you see. Impulse upside, A, B, C correction, and here break the structures, made a small pullback. We can buy here already right now. Risk of 10% stop loss, and target profit of the almost 60%. Let's see if the price is going to reach here. Why I'm targeting this here? Because of my fifth level is almost targeting, showing you this target price 127. Our price could reach to this level. Let's see how it goes. And then Navcoin. Navcoin, similar structure. Big impulse to the upside, corrections. Break the structure. There was a buy opportunity here. Again, collections here. Flag, break, flag, pullback. We can still call it pullback here, and we can buy right now with the almost risk reward of 5% risk and 20% reward. Price is going up here, and also because the price is really respecting this trend line, so we may exit if the price break this trend line. Let's see how it goes. And then Dogecoin. Similar structures, big impulse to the upside, A, B, C. Break the structures. Again, break the structure, a small flag here. Let's see what's happened here next. Our entry was here. The risk reward 5%, target profit of almost too high. This is too high. Let me show you in maybe daily chart. So this is we may hold this transaction for a long time, maybe at least a month, maybe. Price can go up to here, but let's be always conservative and take the exit somewhere here, and we can have we can exit with the majority of the profits, and the remaining entries we can keep it for the next entry to a higher one. 42%. So we can say this is our first target profit, and the second target profit is here. And next, we have Bitcoin Dark. Bitcoin Dark is already went up. There was an opportunity of buy here in this area, which almost last week, I can say. Let's see in the 4 hours. Yeah, there was a big impulse to the upside. Corrections, ABC, break the structures, buy here somewhere, goes up again. Expecting same scenario, maybe price come back and retest this trend line, and we may look for another buy if the price break the structure. Let's see if it's going to happen. Bitcoin to Bitcoin. Similar structures, big impulse to the upside, A, B, and C, and then the flags, and then the break the structures again, pullbacks. If the price break this trend line, we may buy it, we may enter again, for example, for the just who they haven't entered yet. And target price is almost target profit of 0.176, almost 50% gain. So risk reward is almost 7% or maybe 5% to 50% or 10% to 50%, like 1 to 5. And then we have Ethereum Classic to Ether. There's a very good opportunity to buy here. It's almost the lowest price. Let me show you in daily chart. There's a big impulse to the downside now from the correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one big wave to the upside. Let's see if the price is going to go up or not. At the moment, the price already break the trend, pull back somewhere here. Let's see in the 4-hour time frame. There is a small pullback on this trend line. We could enter, and we can hold it, and then put the stop loss on to the break even, and let's see how the price can go. Yeah, let me lock it first. Okay. So price can go high, and let's wait it because I can say the price many times reached this level, this trend line, this support line, and then immediately price bounced and went up. So let's see if the price is going to go higher or not. Then we have list to Ether. Similar structure. Let me show you in maybe a weekly time frame. You'll understand it. There is a big impulse to the upside, forming corrections A, B, C. Now price already break the structure, doing the pullback. We may consider buy here with a small, almost 10% risk and gain of. If the price really wants to go up, it will be a huge gain. We can hold it, for a long time, almost 300%. But I'm not so sure with this. It's maybe, you see, this is a weekly chart, so it may take a month or a few months. Price may reach here, or maybe at least more than 5 or 6 months. I'm not so sure how long the price can go. Will it take the price can go up? Temporary, we can exit somewhere here, like this is our first or second target is too high. And I will update you for this chart later on the next few days. Let's see if the price is still going upside. Let's see here. Price break the structure, pull back, buy here, and let's see how to what extent price is going up. We may exit here first, and let's see for another pullback, and then look for another buy opportunity, for example. Or price can go higher and higher. I'm not so sure how the price go. And then golem to ether. It's a very complicated structure. I don't know if price may go one more down and then start to buy and it goes up, or price can go up from here. There is not much evidence to buy right now because it's always possible price can go back to a lower place. Genesis to ether, also similar structure to golem. I'm waiting for buy opportunity. Let's see. Prices went up a little bit, coming down. There's a consolidation here. Price may go down one more move to lower price, and we may look for a buy somewhere here, or we can look for a buy if the price break this trend line, and we can hold it for a bigger price. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys. That's it. I'm sorry it's been half an hour now. I'm taking so much time. I hope that my analysis could help you to understand the market, the way price may move. So as you know, trading is really risky, especially in the market. And due to a lack of liquidity in the market, the price may fluctuate very quick. So always trade with care and yeah, enjoy your trading. And share this video clip with my friends. And I'll try to update you soon if I see any changes or any opportunity coming in the next few days. And then, yep. And if you liked this video, just like it, and maybe you can subscribe to my channel. All right, guys. All the best for you, and cheers. See you soon.